I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the Xbox and unplugging it briefly to avoid input glitches. Once done, plug the Strike Pack Eliminator into your controller using the supplied cable so the firmware handshake can initialize. Make sure the Eliminator has power. Either install fresh batteries or fully charge the module before proceeding. This prevents mid-setup resets. While you wait, confirm your controller firmware is up to date, so pairing goes smoothly, and the device registers correctly with the console. Next, you configure mappings. Connect the Eliminator to a PC or use the controller's button sequence to enter mapping mode. This lets you assign specific actions to each paddle. Once in, press the button for the action you want, then press the paddle to bind it. Save your layout to a profile slot so you can switch quickly. After saving, test each mapped input in a game lobby or controller tester to confirm timing and avoid misfires during matches. To finish, reboot the console and reconnect the controller so the saved profile loads cleanly. You should verify instant response in a low-stakes match. If anything lags or drops, reset the USB cable, update both controller and Eliminator firmware, and avoid powered hubs that add latency. If profiles refuse to save or behave erratically, perform a factory reset on the Eliminator, then remap. This clears corrupt settings and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.